anyone. Okay. Hi, I'm Drishti. I'm studying in Jai Hind College. Well, studying. I'm from Kaffared. Well, the one in Vadala. Anyway, not only in mine, there's this one person in everyone's life who's there when you need him. He'll give you whatever you want. He'll be there. He wakes you up every morning. He will shout and remind you of his presence, whether you need him or not. He will be there. And when he's there, he's gonna look up at you and say, "Hey, Batli Bangar Wale." Well, have you ever thought that if these Bhangarwalas shift their business to Manhattan, you could probably hear them from the top of the Empire State Building? Like, okay, imagine you're with a girl, this girl you love, and you've popped a question, and you're looking at her, your heart is racing, your palms are sweating, you're looking at her, she's looking at you, she's about to answer, and suddenly you hear, "Hey, Batli Bhangarwale." Like, seriously, what? But, now you don't see Bhangarwalas in places like South Bombay anymore. You see them only in cool places like Ghatkopar and Chembur and Vadala. Like that's, and the only cooler place the next place they can go to is Manhattan. Like, obviously, after Ghatkopar, where else do you go? Anyway, but talking about Manhattan, I was there last week, and this guy comes up to me and says, "Hey, what if your left leg was Thanksgiving and your right leg was Christmas? Could I visit you in between the holidays?" I'll still have some sympathy and give that to him. But trust me, these pickup lines do not work in India. Like, no. And this guy the other day came up to me trying to be original and said, "What if your left leg was Gokulashtami and your right leg was Ganesh Chaturthi? Could I visit you in between for vacation party?" Well, that makes me want to give up on guys. But no, girls are no less. You know how when a girl picks a fight, sound familiar? When she picks a fight, she can't stick to one topic. She will bombard you with everything you've ever done in your life. Just puff, puff, And it's just like that. And the only logical explanation I can come up with for us girls is that probably all women suffer from attention deficit disorder. Okay, for instance, if you're sitting, you're out for lunch with your guy, okay, and he looks at somebody else for half a second. You. Dude, how could you do this to me? Like, how could you check out somebody else? I'm meeting you after a week. Like, what's wrong with you? And why would you call my sister that day? Like, that's just weird unless you're planning a surprise for me. Well, you're not capable of planning a surprise for me, definitely. You're only capable of spilling juice on my Gucci bag. And that day, why wouldn't you let me even go to Zara sale? Like, that's just weird. That's not cool, okay? And that day, you didn't even let me go to Steve Madden show. And Tara told me about the new Steve Madden edition. Dude. Bye. Sorry. Thank you all.
Thank you, Drishti. Once more for Drishti.